give this video big thumbs up. Today, guys, we'll be doing Don't Press the Wrong Button Challenge with some questions. The winner who gets the most questions right gets a prize. It's a mystery. It's a surprise. I don't even know myself. Anyway, are you ready? Yes! Let's go. Give us some questions.
Hashtag Mimi win.
Obviously me. Give us some questions.
Okay, girls, are you ready?
Yes.
So I have some quiz lined up for you. So you have one hand behind your back. One hand, the other hand, not that one. Yeah, one hand on the buzzer. If I will read out the question, if you know what the question is, you press the buzzer. And you answer. If you don't know what the question, if you don't know the answer, you don't press the buzzer.
If you do, you're pressing the wrong buzzer.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Who's ready for the first question? Not like that. Hands up. Hands up. First question is, how many colors are in a rainbow?
7.
Excellent. Question number 2. Which big country is closest to New Zealand? Vivi.
Australia.
Correct. Are you okay then, Mimi? Eh? Are you okay then, Mimi?
She's like, no, she's not.
Eh?
No.
Question number 3. Which hands up. Put your hands up. What is the top color in a rainbow? Who pressed first?
Me? No, replay.
You, both of you, put your hands up. Up like this. Yes. Which color is the top of the rainbow? Mimi.
Green.
Vivi.
Red.
Mommy, you said green to me, so why are you lying? You're lying. Liar.
3 points to Vivi. Okay. Oh, good God. I didn't
Hands up. Hands up. No.
Okay, hands up. Up.
One hand behind your back.
Up. Like up. Yes. What sweet food made by bees using nectar from the flower? Mimi.
Flowers.
Vivi.
Honey.
4 points to Vivi. Oh, Mimi, stop it. Stop it. Stand up properly, please. Question. Next question. Question 5 is, which country is home to the kangaroo? Vivi.
Australia.
5 points. Mimi. We got surprise prize to win here. Oh God!
Come on, I'm so excited.
What is question number 6 is, what is a common garden insect?
Pardon?
Wait. Let me go back. What is a common garden insect?
Ant.
Yes.
I said ant, Mommy.
But you need to wait. Vivi, you need to press it first. Put your hands up. Put your
I've
hands
still
up.
got one hand behind my back and she has one on the table.
Question number 7. Name a yellow fruit. Mimi.
A lemon.
Banana.
1 point to Mimi.
Finally.
Question number 8. What do you do? What do you do to a football? Mimi.
Kick it.
2 points to Mimi. Question number
9.
9. What do you wear on your head? Vivi.
Hair.
Mimi.
Hat.
3 points to Mimi.
You do wear hair on your head.
Question number what?
10.
We got 6 more questions left. Name a sea creature with 8 legs. Vivi.
Octopus.
7 points. Question 11. Something to put flowers in. Mimi.
Water.
Vivi.
A basket or a pot.
How many points? 8. Question 12.
Still have my hand behind my back.
Complete this sentence. North, south, east, and
West.
Mimi.
West. She didn't even press a buzzer. I pressed it first, so I win. West. And that was me. West.
I didn't see, but I'll just give her a point for 4 points. Question 13. You got 3 more questions left. What is the picture that shows your bones? What do you call it? Who pressed first?
Me.
I didn't see.
Okay.
Okay,
Again.
no,
Hands
put
up.
your hands up. In 1, 2, press.
X-ray. X-ray. X-ray.
Okay, I'll give you both points. Question 14. I'm not looking at you guys. I'm busy reading the questions. Stand up properly, please.
Okay. Hand behind your back.
A place to see lots of animals. Mimi.
Zoo.
5 points to Mimi. Question 15.
One more question, right? Or 2? We got 50.
Something you stick on an envelope. Mimi.
Glue. Stamp. Stamp.
Points.
Stamp.
10 points to Mimi.
Vivi.
To Vivi. Question what? 16.
Yeah.
I should give you guys a bonus question.
But I still win though, right?
What is the opposite of dark? Mimi.
Light.
I was supposed to say Vivi because I actually saw she pressed first. What's your answer, Vivi?
Light.
Mommy,
I'll give you guys each a point. So Vivi got 11 and Mimi got 6 points. 6 points. Should I give you guys a bonus question?
Yes, yes, yes!
What is the name of the cowboy in a Toy Story? Mimi.
Woody.
7 points to Mimi. And 11 points to Vivi. And that have concluded this challenge. Now close your eyes for the surprise. I mean, Vivi is obviously the winner. So,
Not happy. What do I get? What do I get?
open your eyes.
My baby. You.
Well, there's a present for you. Don't worry.
She got one on her birthday.
You get to get something as well. I got you.
Close your eyes.
I got you. Do I got you? I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Close your eyes. It's good. Something that you like. Close your eyes. Very close your eyes. No. Now extend your hands, Mimi. Extend your hands. And guess what it is? Guess what?
Apple. There's your apple, Joyce.
Okay, Vivian, you gonna open your present?
Yeah! The little zipper. Never had one. This is exciting. Mimi got one on her birthday. You should be happy that you did get one on your birthday. This is hard. Should I try that again? Okay, the surprises fell. And let's open this up. She looks really... No. Ooh, she's pretty. Here is my doll. If I can get her out of the queen suit. Whoops. Let me put the head on. There you go. There's the doll. Surprise number 1. It's just a hanger. And this thing. I don't know how this goes. The outfit. Yeah.
Mommy.
She got some schoolgirl outfit. Something like that. There's the skirt. Let me put it on. And here is her top. Oops. I'm just gonna... Wow, this is cute. She got her own backpack with 2 angel wings. That is very cute. That's all of my L1 surprises. Oh, I also got these stickers. They're like ring stickers that you put on your finger. They're there with the bag. And then this is the clue I got. Top tonk. And these are all the stuff. And here is the checklist. This is the one Mimi got and I got Oops Baby. She got Snow Bunny and I got, is it Oops Baby? Yeah. She looks very different. But anyway guys, that's everything opened. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in our next video. Bye! Thank you for watching! I'm gonna put this on her back. She is so cute.